clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to run down the streets before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Arthur warned me about those bites, but I didn't think they'd take all of you to the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, Crichton, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen. Well, that was close. Oh, you found my missing streets. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, pick those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy, lucky thing.